Hello everyone, welcome back to Nadesh Creative Cooking. Today I have a delicious chicken parmesan in the most delicious pasta sauce recipe for you guys. Once you try this sauce, you will never use any other pasta sauce. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that I will use to make the dish. They will be listed in the description box below. First, slice the chicken in half. Do your best to slice them as even as possible so they can cook evenly. Next, flatten every part of the chicken breast with a meat tenderizer. Next, season the flour, the breadcrumbs, and the egg wash. This is the secret to a flavorful chicken parmesan. Give everything a good stir so the seasoning can be well incorporated. Next, season the chicken. Yes guys, nobody likes bland chicken breasts. Next, dip the chicken in the flour. Make sure that every part is covered with the flour. Then, dip it in the egg wash. And then the breadcrumbs, which is a mixture of panko breadcrumbs and Italian breadcrumbs. Make sure that the chicken breast is nicely covered with the breadcrumbs. Pat it down so the breadcrumbs can stick to the chicken breast. Then let it rest for about 2 minutes. Next, fry the chicken on medium heat. Fry each side for about 2 minutes. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. Next, remove the chicken from the oil and let it rest on a rack. Next, pour the delicious pasta sauce on the chicken. Add some freshly grated mozzarella and Parmesan cheese on top. Then put your oven on boil and boil it for about 1 minute. Et voila! Now let me show you how I make the pasta sauce. You need 2 cans of whole peeled plum tomatoes. Put it in a blender and blend it for a few seconds. I like when it's a little chunky. Next, I have a pan on medium heat. Put some oil in there. Add onion. Let it simmer for about 1 minute or until it softens. Add minced garlic. Give it a stir and let it simmer for a few seconds. Next, add tomato paste. The girl is struggling with the little bit of dry tomato paste that she has. Buy yourself some fresh tomato paste, guys. I had to add some of the tomato sauce to soften it a little bit. The struggle is real. Next, add your seasoning, brown sugar, and black pepper. Then add the tomato sauce and give it a good stir. Add salt to taste and let it simmer for about 30 minutes on medium heat. When it's almost done, add some chopped up basil leaves and give it a stir. Et voila, your tomato sauce is done. So delicious, guys. I'm going to enjoy it with some garlic Parmesan spaghetti. Guys, go try it.